It was on July 31st, 2015 that China successfully won the bid to host the Beijing 2022 Olympics. It has taken this country over 6 years of continuous work, of continuous determination of making the Beijing 2022 Olympics a memorable one for the country and for the rest of the world. But since the outbreak of the COVID-19 pandemic, with a lot of travel restrictions imposed by several countries, a lot of uncertainties surround whether China is still ready, or whether China is still going to host the Beijing 2022 Olympics. Ladies and gentlemen, this is Business Connect. If this is your first time on this channel, we do interesting videos here on business development, social motivation. I share with you interesting news and vlogs. I show you beautiful places here in China. So if this is your first time on the channel, don't leave this video without hitting that subscription button. Join us on the channel so that each time we upload interesting videos like this, YouTube will notify you and you will be the first to watch our videos. In today's video, we'll be looking at how prepared is China to host the Beijing 2022 Olympics. Or in other words, is China even still going to host the Beijing 2022 Olympics? Some countries were already saying, oh, they're boycotting because China is not granting permission for people to visit its country because of the COVID-19 pandemic preventions. So in this video, I'm going to show you some of the preparations, some of the things that the Chinese government has done so far to make the place ready for the Beijing 2022 Olympics. So just before we go into the details of this video, just to remind you, the Beijing 2022 Olympics is planned or scheduled to take place in 3 competition zones. We have the Beijing downtown zone, which will be the main hosting area. Another competition zone will be at the Yangqing district, which is located at the outskirts of Beijing. And the 3rd competition zone will be in Zhangjiakou, which is in the Hebei province. So these are the 3 venues where China plans to host the Beijing 2022 Olympics. So to continue, I'm going to give you a few updates and a few things that the Chinese government has already done to make sure that the Beijing Olympics will be a memorable one. What are the preparations that the country has been doing for 6 years, and up to now, how are these preparations been? So for connection, China has built the Beijing Zhangjiakou high-speed rail, which is going to cut the transportation time from 3 hours to only 1 hour of high-speed rail transportation. Another high-speed transportation from downtown Beijing to the Yangqing district, which will cut down the transportation time from 2 hours to only 26 minutes. China has also built the world's first 4-terminal DC grid, which will bring to Beijing electricity generated from the wind, which means that all the electricity used for the tournament will be from renewable sources, either from solar or from wind-generated sources. These are some of the preparation that the country has been doing so far to make sure that the Beijing 2022 Olympics be a memorable one for China and for the rest of the world. And also, in addition, Chinese athletes have so far been using only artificial intelligence, AI-assisted systems in their trainings. This is to make sure that China will give to the rest of the world a memorable Beijing 2022 Winter Olympics. So far from the news we were getting around the globe, some countries were expressing their boycott not to be part of the Beijing 2022 Olympics. But how did China receive this news of their boycott? China still stands firm that it is going on with the preparations for hosting the Beijing 2022 Olympics. And from all indications, nothing is stopping the country because their preparations are going on smoothly as if nothing is happening. Just a few weeks ago, the preparation committee received a call from the Chinese president to assess the state of preparation, to assess how prepared the 3 venues are and how prepared is China to receive athletes from all over the world for the Beijing 2022 Olympics. This is all to tell you that China is not stopping its preparation. China is still going to host the Beijing 2022 2022 Olympics, which is just like 6 or 7 months to come. We just have less than a year for these preparations to be completed and for China to finally welcome athletes for the Beijing 2022 Olympics. So far, the only thing China made mention, which was welcomed by the rest of the world, was that athletes and visitors coming into China for the Beijing, either for the Beijing 2022 Olympics or for other business or maybe for tourism, they need to be vaccinated or they need to have been vaccinated against the COVID-19 pandemic. So far, China has not given any negative signal or said anything negative that they might not be prepared, or due to the COVID-19 situation in the world or in China, they might not be able to receive athletes from all over the world. China still stands firm and says preparations are going on full swing and that China is prepared to host the Beijing 2022 Olympics, which is just in less than a year to come. So ladies and gentlemen, thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any comments about this topic, let me know in the comment section below. And if you like the video or if you like what we're doing in the channel, don't leave this video without giving us a thumbs up. And if you are new to the channel, if you have not yet subscribed, hit that subscription button so that each time we upload interesting news and things and trends around China, YouTube will notify you and you will be the first to watch our videos. Until now, it's peace out. I'll see you in our next video. Bye-bye. Stay awesome and be blessed.